Welcome back to Driving Secrets for 1000. Today, we have heart-stopping close calls, reckless semi-trucks, and a massive runaway tire that destroys a car. Let's get into it. Kicking things off, watch this intersection. The light is clearly red, but this driver completely ignores it and blasts right through. A terrible accident waiting to happen. Watch the oncoming lane carefully. This massive semi-truck decides to pass, forcing the camera completely off the road. Absolutely reckless driving by a professional who should know better. This next one is a heart-stopping moment. Keep your eyes on the right side. A young kid runs straight into the road after his skateboard. Incredible reflexes by the driver saved a life. Today, always watch for kids in neighborhoods. A split-second close call here. This is why you must never assume the intersection is clear. Always double-check. Do some drivers think we are completely invisible? This car just pulls out without a care in the world, forcing a dangerous evasive maneuver. Now, watch the highway ahead. A massive runaway tire comes bouncing across the median. And hits the camera's car with absolute disrespect. You cannot predict something like this. A prime example of why you need a dashcam. Just a normal morning commute, having a casual conversation, until suddenly chaos erupts out of nowhere. The road changes in a fraction of a second. Driving at night is dangerous enough, but dealing with pedestrians walking directly in the middle of a dark road makes it terrifying. Use the sidewalks, people. It is not worth risking your life. Watch the car ahead. They suddenly decide to take a massive, off-road shortcut. Definitely not the intended exit ramp. What were they thinking? Finally, a look at the chaotic aftermath of a severe car accident. Emergency responders doing their best to manage the scene. A stark reminder to slow down and stay focused behind the wheel. That runaway tire was absolutely insane. Protect yourself from the unexpected by grabbing our recommended 4000 dashcams linked in the description below. Hit subscribe, stay safe, and we will see you next time.